Hello everyone, if you are having this your weather widget here, which when I click here, so now as you can see on my taskbar, this is the widget here. This is just a weather widget. So because whatever that is here is just a widget, so if you click on it you can see our weather, and then there's some other news that are just popping up on here. So if you don't want it to be here and then you just want it to be out, it's very easy and simple to remove it. So let's see how to do that. To remove that, just click on your taskbar, just stand on an empty space within any of your taskbar, right click and go to taskbar settings. Under taskbar settings, just as you can see, we have here, because it's a widget, it's going to be under the widget. So as you can see there, we have our taskbar items here. So we have search, task view, and then we have our widget here. Just remove it, just turn off this widget. Right, so as you can see, once we turn it off, it's now disappeared. So if I turn it on, just as you can see that it's back now. So just turn it off and you can see that it's gone. That is just how easy and simple it is to remove this your widget on your taskbar. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like, comment and share. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.